You are going to love the 2021 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, navigation system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.